Hey, good to see you.
Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and today we're going to be looking at a free screen recorder option here called the SureFlex Free Online Screen Recorder. It means what it says. It has HD, no watermark, and no time limit. It is very limited though because it is an online based screen recorder. So to get to the screen recorder, you go to nablamine.com/online screen recorder. I'll include the link in the description below, but you just saw the link not too long ago. So this is allowing you to get set up. So to make sure you have everything set up, you just got to check on everything that you want to use. You want to make sure that your screen is highlighted, your webcam's highlighted, your microphone, and your system sound. And you want to make sure that you have all these things, because if you don't have a computer, then what the heck are you doing? And if you don't have a webcam, what the heck are you doing? And if you don't have a microphone, how the hell are you hearing me? Anyways, so you have to make sure that you have everything enabled here, and then you can get started. So once you have all the green screens enabled here, or the green checkboxes here, it'll allow you to get started. So for the record screen, it gives you the 4 options here. Very basic, very simple. If you can read this, then you're fine. So record screen, these are the options here. So you have to check on the boxes to make sure everything is enabled here, and vice versa. So check your webcam box, and then you check your microphone box, and then you can check your system sound box. So make sure that all of these are checked, and you can get started. So you don't have to have system sound enabled if you don't hear anything, unless you're watching something dirty. And then you can just go and record webcam, and then it turns on your webcam, and then you start recording right away. And like I said, it's watermark free, so you don't have to worry about it. And then down below here, it just gives you a little disclaimer and rundown on how to use it. Free screen recorder, completely free screen recording tool for Windows and Mac users. Rejoice, for both can have it. And then it is an online screen recorder. It allows you to do it online, like it said before. And then there's no watermarks, no time limits. You can record as much as you want. You can do like an hour live stream recording if you wanted to, if you're into that stuff. And then you go to HD videos. It does it in HD, very good quality, 720p or 1080p. And then it shows the browsers it supports: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. So it does it, and it has different warnings every time. Due to varying costs, some blah, 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 blah. I don't have time to read that. So just go, it shows step 1, and then it gives you a link to record with more features. That's the SureFlex screen recorder software. You can download it for Windows and Mac, so both can have it. Thank you very much. And then that way it doesn't give you, it gives you more features. So I have a link to that in the description below here. So the next screen that you're going to see is a recording with the NablaMine online screen recorder. So I'm just going to leave this up for a little bit here. There's facts on the screen recorder if you want to use it here. But this next clip that you're going to see is me using the online free screen recorder with the screen capture. And then you're going to see another clip with the webcam and the screen capture enabled. So we're going to get started on that in just a few moments here. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, so this is with the SureFlex free online screen recorder here. So this is just recording the screen that you see here. I have the microphone enabled, my webcam's turned off, the system sound's turned off. So what you're just seeing is the screen, and what you're hearing is from my microphone. So this is what the quality looks like currently. There's no added features, so this is just what you see, bare bones. So I'm just going to record up to a minute just so that way you can get a clear understanding of it. So I'm just going to leave the screen still, and then I'm going to show you the webcam enabled and system sound enabled. And we're just going to stop the recording right now and move on to the next clip. All right, so what you're seeing right now, hi-lo, is the webcam enabled, system audio enabled, and the screen and everything else. So everything's pretty much enabled here. So it doesn't have any zoom features, magnification. This is just a bare bones recording software. So if you want to use this and get a recording done right away, this is a great option if you just want to get started on recording. And if you are an editor and you want to edit your own recordings here, you can also download the software. Like I said, the link will be in the description below this video, so that way you can get the software and download it, and then you can get started with that. So I'm just going to leave the screen open for a little bit just so that you can get an idea of the quality, and that's it. So I hope this review is helpful, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time for another original video. Bye-bye. The last thing that I forgot to leave out here is that once you have finished your recording, it'll give you the option to download. So when you click on download, it'll appear on the top here, but it downloads it as a web WebM file. So if you have a WebM file, it may not read on your editing software. If your editing software does read WebM, then don't worry about it. But if you want to get it converted to MP4, find a conversion software, Google search WebM to MP4, and then it allows you to convert the WebM to MP4 so it works for your editing software. Thank you very much.